I might delve in and out of accents. Don't be fooled. You know, like I'm African. This is how some of our parents speak. A friend of mine once asked me, so how come your Africans speak so tough? Why is the accent so strong? What's this Burger King all about? And I asked my dad, and my dad said, Eddie, the reason why we speak with such a strong accent is because in Africa, we learned how to speak English in capital letters. Don't judge my dad, don't judge my dad. My dad was a good man. My dad taught me phonetics. Did your dad teach you phonetics? When I was young, I was asking my dad how to spell. I said, Dad, in school they wanted to learn how to spell potato. And I said, Eddie, when you go to school, look at your teacher, look at everybody. Just when you will never forget how to spell potato. So my dad said, when you go there, use what I call phonetics. I said, oh, that's a big word. For a 10-year-old, that was a big deal. Big deal. So my dad said, go to them and say, potato, miss. This is how you spell potato, class. P for potato, O for potato, T for potato, F for potato, P for potato, O for potato. Don't judge my dad, don't judge my dad. I know how to spell potato. So, it's the wedding. His daughter's wedding. He's the happiest man alive. But the Azonto is so out of control. You don't know. Can you drop it like it's a please? Give me. So, you'll be confused because he'll be very happy to get there and you think he's about to fight. That last minute,